Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This is in a polar white finish with a black interior, sunroof, Formatic, Mercedes-Benz, and GLC 300 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Premium Burmester sound system. Rear seats. Memory seats, driver seat controls here, driver door controls, driver seat, and our steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 21,351. We do have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera, climate controls, and our center console here. And if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.